pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
cheese biscuits. For this you will need 150 grams of plain all-purpose flour, 150 grams of cheddar cheese grated, 150 grams of unsalted butter cubed, 1 egg yolk, and a 1.5 inch scone cutter. Mix the cheese into the flour. Rub in the butter until you get breadcrumbs size things. These breadcrumbs are exceedingly huge, more like footballs. Add the egg yolk and knead till a smooth dough is formed. Tightly wrap the dough in cling film and leave to cool in the fridge for at least 1 hour. After an hour, take it out of the fridge and leave it for 10 minutes. Now roll out on a floured surface. I'm using 6mm 1/4 inch spacers. Cut them out with your scone cutter. Place them on a baking tray that has baking paper on it. Bake for 10 minutes at gas mark 6, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius conventional oven, 180 degrees Celsius fan convection oven. And now for the taste test. They are delicious. The recipe calls them cheese biscuits, but are not like any biscuits I've had before. They're very light and crumbly. I'm going to call them cheesy bites. The aroma of cheese when they're being baked is wonderful. It's a pity you can't have smelly vision on computers.
my pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train.